Hey, folks, welcome to Trader Talk. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist at InTheMoneyStocks.com and VerifiedInvestingCrypto.com. So in this video, I want to talk about how we knew the market was likely going to top last week. And again, I want to show you the exact trend lines, everything you need to know about that. So let's get right into it here, folks. So as you can see my chart, again, this is where the S&P topped right here. We had the nasty sell-off last Friday and likely some continued selling pressure in the next couple days. Now, the kicker is to look at the chart and say, okay, what was going on here? Why did this peak mark the top? And what we're going to do is we're going to take a trend line and we're going to take the absolute all-time high from December of 2021, early 2022, draw it and connect it to this line and look at what you get. So not only do you get a pivot high where the market was extended over the last couple of weeks, but there's a clear trend line right there. Now, as if that's not enough, put in your 200 moving average. Your 200 moving average, which is the average price for the previous 200 sessions. And look, price directly tagged that 200 right at that same trend line and then reverse. So again, it's almost as if the market was telling us we were going to fall to the downside. Now, based on everything I'm seeing, you're going to get bounces along the way, but I do have a downside target of the previous COVID highs or pre-COVID highs. So remember, going back to February of 2020, the markets had been at all-time highs. We then had the major collapse during COVID, that March of 2020, before the recovery and the run to the upside. So it makes sense that eventually the markets are going to track back to that level. Now, it's not going to be a straight line, in my opinion. You'll see bounces, you'll see whips, you'll see ups, you'll see downs. But I would say within 6 months, we easily are tagging that level. On the SPY chart here, which is the tracking ETF for the S&P 500, that is down to about the 338 level. Again, my name is Gareth Soloway, and again, this is Trader Talk. Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.